Hello students, I hope you all fine. Today I am going to present a very beautiful poem. Now you are going to guess its name. I am not going to tell you the name of the poem. Tell one the name of the thing which is created by God and which gave a life on the planet, which is the rich source of the inhaling or breathing. Can you guess, students? Okay, students, tell me. You are absolutely right. The name of the thing is tree. You know, children, already in your surrounding, you seen everywhere. Tree is the rich source of the oxygen of all life, and it is source of food which we are to live our life going on smoothly. Okay, first let's see about tree. Trees are our best friends because they clean the air we breathe. Likewise, they also clean the water and soil, ultimately make the earth better place. It is also a fact that people who live near trees are healthier, fit and happier than people who do not. Okay, let's see the importance of trees. Trees are important to us in a lot of ways. We cannot ignore their importance. They are important because they give us fresh air to breathe, food to eat and shelter from sunlight and rainfall. Besides this, there are many medicines in the market that are made up of trees extract. Apart from this, there are plants and trees that have medicinal values. They being peacefulness, create a pleasant and relaxing environment. Also, they help in reflecting the harmful rays of the sun and maintaining balanced temperature. Besides, they also help in water conservation and preventing soil erosion. They also manage the ecosystem, and from ancient times several varieties of plants are worshipped. Okay students, these all are about the trees. Okay, next now we'll see the poem Trees. About the poem, trees are the best creation of God for human beings' life. Without trees is impossible on this earth. Trees are the priceless treasure, and its value cannot be described in words. Thanks about trees and tell me their contribution in your life. It is a very beautiful poem by Shirley Baur. Tell us the importance of trees in a children's life, in our life as well as, and she expresses poem in this line. Okay, about the poet. Shirley Baur was born October 17, 1944 in McCluskey. She graduated from McCluskey High School in 1962 and attended Nursing High School in Bismarck. She was a nurse at St. Alexius Hospital for 41 years. She was avid baseball fan, loved traveling and spending time with her friends. Shirley Anna Baur, 66 years, died on May 17, 2011 at the Baptist Home after 7 months battle with cancer. Okay, this is about the poet. Next, we will start the lesson. Before starting lessons, I will ask some questions. See here. Take a few minutes to tell to one another the names of trees that you know or have heard of. What do trees give us? Okay, let's see the trees' names. Banyan tree. Okay, you heard the name of these trees or seen wherever? Okay, you know already. Banyan tree is our national tree. Okay, then next, neem tree. Okay, you seen all your surroundings, neem trees. And next, Ashoka trees, coconut trees, and mango trees. Okay, you seen wherever. Okay, next, what do tree give us? Okay, tree give us more. Trees give us wood. Trees give us medicine. Trees give us rubber. Trees give us the oxygen. They give us food. They give us shelter. Okay, these all things the tree give us. Okay, let's see the new words of this poem. Tree house. Tree house means a house built on the tree. Tree house means a house built on the tree. Pears. Pears means sweet juicy fruit. Pears means sweet juicy fruit. Swing. Swing means to move or cause to move rhythmically. Chop. Chop means to cut something with the axe. Chop means to cut something with the axe. Let's see the poem number 2, Trees. Okay, listen students, I will read one time this poem. Trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees are to make tree house in. Trees are to swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in a hide and seek. Trees are to have a tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees make mothers say, what a lovely picture to paint. Trees make fathers say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. Okay, this is a very beautiful poem written by Shirley Baur. Okay, let's see explanation of the trees poem. Okay, first line, trees are for birds. Okay, you can see this picture students. Okay, can you see in the morning, in the afternoon and in the evening where the birds are sitting on the plants and trees. They are making soft noise and they are singing in a modified voice. Okay, trees are for birds. Let's see the second line. Trees are for children. Trees are for children. See here. And where the trees, children are playing around the trees. and they are getting entertainment throughout trees, in around or on the trees. And here means trees, their life, there are so many aims which you also play around on the trees. Okay, third paragraph. Trees are to make trees houses in. Trees are to make tree houses in. Means here, some of us very fond of to making a small houses in the trees. And you are given here opportunity through this poem. You can also make houses in the trees. And I also want to make a beautiful houses for myself in trees. Okay, if I have such a huge tree, now I have planted a tree in my house, and you also plant some trees. And let's see the next line. Fourth line. Trees are to swing swings on. Okay, means now you can hang the swing on the tree, and you can swing and swings on the tree. Okay, let's see in this picture. The children are hang the swing on the tree. Okay, let's see the trees are for the wind to blow through. The trees, though the wind can't be seen, but we can feel it. We can sit under a tree, means under a shade of the tree, and we can feel the wind is blowing through the trees. Let's see the next line. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Okay, when I was a child and you are children, both of us fond of playing hide and seek. You remember? Do you count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and after end? And this was the game of hide and seek. You can see in the picture a game of hide and seek is shown here. Next line. Trees are to have tea parties under. Okay, trees are, we can celebrate tea parties under the trees, and this gives us pleasure in all life, and we are very happy when we celebrate such a kind of parties. Okay, you can also plan small parties under a tree. Next line. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Here, sometimes we can see that the kites are hanging on the tree. When someone flies kite and kite is caught in the tree, and we are very sorry at that time, but we should know at we sorry because many other kites to fly. Okay, let's see the next line. There are to make cool shade in summer. When it is a very hot in summer, at that time we feel that is a very hot. We sit under the tree and wind is blowing there. At that time we feel that comfort in our life. Let's see the another line. Trees are to make no shade in winter. When it is a winter season and we do not sit like under a tree to escape from the hot sun. Instead of that, we play in the hot sun. So that poet says trees are to make no shade in winter. We do not like sit in a winter, but we like to play every time behind them. Okay, let's see the next line. Trees are for apple to grow on and pears. Trees are for apples, trees are for pears, trees are for mangoes. Now the poet describes these words apple and mango because they are very common fruits in our life. We can see such a trees everywhere. So she says that trees are very beautifully bore all the fruits, and it seems that they are decorated the beauty of the nature. Next line. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Well, they are dried up at that times. They are chopped or they are cut and left dry up, and after that we get timbers and we make a beautiful furnitures, and we will make a houses. And in the last lines, the poet describes what are the feelings of all parents when we tell them about trees. And trees make a mother say, when mother see a beauty of a trees, and she says, what does she says? You can see in this picture. She says, what a lovely picture to paint, and it is a very beautiful, a lovely picture. You can paint on your drawing sheet. Okay, next. Trees make a father say. When a father see is a tree is let in, and with a leaves, some leaves had fall in, he says, what does he say? He says, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall, and this fall, when the all leaves will fall, we have all someone's leaves for the collection. We will collect for the users in his life. Okay, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. What a here a very beautiful poem expressed by Shirley Baur. Okay, thank you students.